Hi everyone, welcome back to Crochet Rocks. My name's Tracy and I've got a little yarn haul. I've got a little Hobbii order. It's arrived quite quick. Big improvement on the last one that didn't arrive all together, and I had to have it cancelled and everything. So with everything that's been going on around here lately, I've actually forgotten what I ordered. So it's going to be a bit of a surprise for me too, until I get in there and see them. But I'm trying not to make too much noise with it. Gary has just decided to go back to bed, and I can hear him snoring, so I hope you can't. So let's get in to the Hobbii bag. Really. Let's see. Got my light at the ready, just in case I need it. Ooh, so yeah. I remember that now. There's my crumpled up note. Let me read that. So I ordered some Malaga. I got a Malaga before, and it was all the different colour reds. But this one is a glitzy Malaga. Malaga Lurex World of Yarn. And it's this pink one with this lovely pink fleck in it. I quite like that. That's pretty. So let's see. Colour is 09. Wow. Descriptive. Just number 9. It's a 4 weight. Time for some light. No. Oh, here we go. 165 metres. Yeah. 98% acrylic and 2% metallic polyester, which is obviously the Lurex kind of thread that goes through. Isn't that lovely? Pink. I've got a couple of those. I think I've got 3. There's 1, 2, 3 of those. And I got this really beautiful colour pack. Just caught my eye. I don't normally buy colour packs, but this one with all these pastel shades just really caught my eye, and the Malaga is really lovely yarn. So this one was colour pack 5, and it's got some beautiful colours in. It's got the pinks and the lilac, blue, lovely green and yellow. So don't know whether you want me to take that out at all. There's not a great deal in this bag. That's basically another couple of bits in there, and that's it. I didn't go crazy. I actually was quite laid back. So let's see. I think the yardage be the same as before, but the only thing I can tell you is different colours. This one is colour 36, and it's just beautiful. Absolutely lovely yarn. This one is hiding. Oh, hang on. No, the light need the light. That one is number 36. Maybe it's a colour pack, because they're definitely different colours. That's a 36. That's a 36. Maybe that's what they've done. Let's have a look what it says on the yellow. No, 24 on the yellow. Must be one of them must be a 35 or a 38. That looks a little bit dodgy to see. I'm just trying to manipulate the green so I can see. 23. The blue is 18. It's hard to say. There's a big load of writing on this bag and it's upside down. 18. Wow, saw that one. This one then. Come on, what are you? 36. 36. And yet they're different, so they can't both be 36, but they do both say it on the label, which is a bit weird. But I love that. Isn't that beautiful? I love that green. I really want it. I've got lots of pastel shades, but as soon as I saw that, I thought they looked really nice as a pack. So let me see if the yardage is the same on here at all. Where are we? No, probably not. 165 metres. What did I say that one was? Is it 165? Yeah, identical. So the only difference is this has got a silky kind of lurex thread, and these ones are just plain. Now I would get them out and show you them individually, but there's no opening to the bag. So once I've opened it, it's open. If you catch my drift, I can't really seal it back up again. I'm not ready to use it, so I want to keep it nice. So that's that. Not a massive order, but this is intriguing. I kind of saw this and thought, you know what? What's this? Oh, I ordered some D-rings for bags. A kit, so that I'm got, because I decided I wanted to make another bag, but this time I'm going to try to make a strap. Sorry if you can hear the snoring. And I got one of their little sweeties. Just the one sweetie in there. We'll have to give that one to Gary then. Okay, so then I ordered this, which looked a bit on the intriguing side. And it is Black Friday cotton cake. I have never had a cotton cake, believe it or not. And this is 100% cotton limited edition. But I really liked the colours. It's kind of got this lovely kind of beige, and then this beautiful kind of lavender that goes into this almost pinky one, and then a black. You see that? There was a lot. There was some really bright ones, but this one caught my eye. I just like this one a lot, and it's lovely and soft. You know, normally I don't expect cotton to be really soft, but this one is. Let's see what else I've got. Don't want to blind anyone, so I try and hold. Can't hold the light as well. It's a 2 fine. Would you say that's a 2? That's quite thick for a 2, unless that's 2 strands. Doesn't seem like a 2, but then again, maybe. I don't know what I'm going to be doing with it, to be honest with you. I haven't really thought about it. There's my strand. It's more like it's a lot of collection of cotton strand, so it reminds me of ribbon. That's what it kind of reminds me of, like a little bit of ribboning. Not like the Rico design made by me that I used for my tote bag. That was very much ribbon, but this one isn't. This is a 200 grams, and there's 800 meters here. That's because it's quite fine. So that's a lot of yarn. I'll have 2 of those. Not quite sure what I'm going to do with these cotton cakes, but it'll be something pretty because they're beautiful. So that's it. I didn't get much. I was a bit, what's the word, reserved, as you can see. I didn't go quite as crazy as I have in the past, but I gave their sale a whirl, their Black Friday sale, and it wasn't bad. I don't know if this is going to give me a price on here. I can't remember what I paid now, and this doesn't actually say, which isn't very helpful, but it wasn't a lot. I didn't order much, but it's pretty though. I'm really pleased with this. I love the Malaga. It's really, really nice yarn. Nice to work with. I was going to make a chevron blanket or something, or a rainbow blanket for the baby, but I've got lots of baby yarn, so I won't be doing it with this. This is going to be something else, but I'm not quite sure what yet. That's all the fun, isn't it? I just need to get better so that I can get cracking with it. So thanks for watching. I hope you like it. Maybe that cotton cakes will be a bag. Who knows? Got to do something with my little D-rings. They're actually quite nice. I like the size of them. They're nice size without being overly large. So, have to get onto that one. So thanks for watching. Hope you can't hear the snoring. And bye for now, everyone. See you soon.